Hello. The purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to run a Welligent Report 2622, the Future Agency Involvement Report. Once you are on your Welligent dashboard, you will see the blue buttons up top, Welligent, Reports, and My Alerts. The one that we want to click is Reports. Once you're on this screen, the easiest way to find the report is by looking for Report ID and then typing in 2622. Click Search, and it will bring you to the report name Future Agency Involvement Report for the ITP. This is what we want, so you'll click on it, and then it asks you which school you would like to run the report for. So you can type in the school. I will choose Leedsman. And then you have the option up here with the white buttons, Schedule, Run, Excel, Hot List, Reset, and Close. So the two that I recommend using would be Run. So if you click on Run, that will take a moment and it will give you the report. And you can scroll down and see all of the students. Otherwise, you can click the Excel button. And if you click on this, it will download the report and you can open it, and it opens it into Excel. And once you do this, it has it set up in a worksheet, and you can sort the columns, sort the data to whatever works for you, so that you could change the columns so that you sort it by the date that the IEP is held or when the next IEP is. So that is how to do this report. From there, you can print it, you can save it as a PDF, or whatever you would like to do with the information. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.